Hi everyone, so I'm back to share some journals with you. Well, I'm only going to show you one because they're all the same, and I haven't got a lot of memory left on my phone, and I'm panicking because I need to back up stuff, and oh, my phone's not connecting to the computer. Anyway, enough of that, right? So I've got there's three of them, and there could possibly be more. They are little starter journals, they started off as blank, but they're now not blank because I couldn't help myself and I had to do some decorating in them. They are 7 by 4 3/4. They have one signature, 40 pages at front and back. And when they go up today, which is Saturday, they will be on a sale price for today only, which is the 16th of July. And then they will go up to full price the next day. So this is it. This is the little journal. These fit perfectly in your bag. They would also be maybe a good gift idea for someone who does like to journal, because there is a lot of writing space in here. So we've got some stitching around the edge. We got this is actually one of my freebies on my coffee shop, and then I covered it up with the double oval of this little cutie pie, a butterfly and a little label. They're from ARTYmaze, and we have string and eyelets as a closure. So I'm just moving in a little bit forward. Right, so here we have, that's an envelope flip, which obviously you'll see on the other side. We got this collage paper here, it's from ARTYmaze. We have a stamped coffee dyed tag, it says unforgettable moments. This little journal card here, you can see the stitching around there. This flips out, and there we have a little pocket and a little inventory tag. That is from the old design shop. This is from ARTYmaze. Then here I've done a little side pocket with the double oval with this lady, she's one of my favourites. Little specimen label and a butterfly. They're from ARTYmaze, that's from ARTYmaze. That's the positive quote tags and journal cards. This is the old design shop, and like I said, it is lots of journal space. Here, this is a, not an envelope, it was a paper bag. And this is a freebie from my shop, so I popped that on there as a pocket. We've got a little index card there, and that's just been inked up. And then inside the pocket there, we have 2 positive quote tags, which I think is it's good to have positive quotes, isn't it? Just little reminders of, it's okay. This is from Bohemian Crafting, so is this. And then here we've got a little collage pocket, and we have another stamped coffee dyed tag that goes in there. This is just a little craft tag, and another journal card there. Then another tab, centre of the signature, another collage pocket, and another journal card there, and a tag, just a craft cardstock tag. And here we have coffee dyed stamped tag. Little tuck, we've got a postcard, little cabinet card there. The other side of the paper bag, again, that's another freebie on my shop and my coffee shop, not my website. And because I put my journals in my website, and there's some kits in my website, but on my coffee shop I do some freebies and some very small kits on there. So that's where you'll find that, on the coffee shop. Then another 2 positive quote tags, and so let me just put them in. There's me saying I'm trying to do this quickly because I done a video with the other journals and it went over and it wouldn't, it just, my phone kept cutting out, so I need to get that sorted. And a bingo card and a postcard in this tuck, little flip out here. And then there we have another little pocket alterations tag, and double oval butterfly specimen label. And then here, this is from ARTYmaze, and we have a little, I think that's one of them, must be for alterations of some sort, but it doesn't say alterations on it. Then that flips out. We've got a little craft cardstock tag, and a library card and then here in there we have this, and that pops in there. And then on the back we have a journal card and a tag there. I don't know if I showed that, I can't remember now because I have done this, tried to do this a few times, but there's that in there and that there. I can't remember showing that. But you know what it's like when you've done a couple of videos and of the same thing and you can't remember what you've said and what you haven't. So there we go. Like I said, when these go up, they will be on a reduced price, and that will be automatically, it's obviously automatically the reduced price, and then the next day it will come off of the reduced price. So if you want to grab yourself a little starter journal, then you'll find the links below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.